Hi, welcome to Genius Post tutorial again. I'm Steve and today I'm going to show you how to set up a fantastic features from Genius Post Facebook Messenger at your website. So this allows you to connect with your client. So your client, they will be able to ask the question from this icon over here. Okay, so for example, your client, they can type how to order. Okay, so once they type this, you will be able to receive this message at your Facebook Messenger. Alright, so let's get started how to setting this. First of all, we have to go to Genius Post Cloud. You have to log into Genius Post Cloud and go to Genius Post online order setting. Okay, so here is the online order setting. Okay, once you go to the online order setting, you can scroll down to the bottom. Okay, and you look for Facebook Messenger. Okay, so you just turn on the Facebook Messenger, and the second step is we have to look for your Facebook ID. Okay, so now we go to your Facebook ID. Okay, you go to your page and you search for the more over here. We go to the about. Okay, then we scroll down to the bottom. You will be able to see your Facebook page ID over here, so you can copy and paste your Facebook page ID. Once you have pasted it, we just save. Okay, and the last step is you have to add your website link to your Facebook Messenger setting. Okay, so first of all, we need to copy. Okay, we need to copy this website link. Okay, we need to copy and we go to your Facebook page. You scroll down over here and you will be able to see the setting. Okay, so we go to the advanced messaging, and when you scroll down, okay, you will see the whitelisted domain over here. Okay, you can paste your website link over here and you just click on the save. Okay, once you click on the save, we go to refresh your website, then your Facebook icon, Messenger icon will appear over here. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope to see you again in next video. Thank you.